Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your data with Microsoft 365 step by step clearly. To secure your data with Microsoft 365, start by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. Navigate to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Select the Settings option from the left-hand menu. Click on Org Settings to access organization-wide settings. Under Services, find and click on Security and Privacy. Enable multi-factor authentication by selecting Multi-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to configure authentication methods for your users. Next, go back to the Admin Center and select Users. Review your user list and ensure all accounts have strong, unique passwords. Implement password policies by selecting Policies and then Password Policy. To further secure data, navigate to Compliance in the Admin Center. Choose Data Loss Prevention to create and manage policies. Set up rules to prevent sensitive information from being shared outside your organization. Now, access Microsoft Defender to add additional security layers. Configure threat protection policies to safeguard against malware and phishing attacks. Next, visit Azure Information Protection under the Compliance section. Create labels to classify and protect your sensitive data. Ensure you apply these labels to relevant documents and emails for automatic protection. To manage device access, go to Endpoint Security in the Admin Center. Set up policies to manage devices that connect to your Microsoft 365 account. Finally, regularly monitor the security reports available in the Admin Center. Stay vigilant and adjust your security settings as necessary based on these reports. With these steps, you can effectively enhance the security of your data within Microsoft 365. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.